Hello guys, welcome back. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com, and in this tutorial we are going to create a trigger and the trigger handler which basically calls this update scores method, which is available on the opportunity scoring service that we created in the last tutorial. And what this does, it basically updates the priority score field. If you remember, it updates the priority score and which is available on the opportunity object. And when is this method called? Anytime the stage of the opportunity changes, amount of the opportunity changes, or confidence field on the opportunity object changes, this is the method that will be the trigger that will be called. And then from the trigger, it's going to go to the trigger handler, and inside of the trigger handler you are basically calling the update scores method. Okay, so this is a simple prompt that I'm going to give to my Agentforce for developers, and we'll see what it is going to do. So I've copied the exact prompt into my command text file, and I'm going to go over to my here, and I'm going to go and write this prompt. So right now there's only two classes. One is the meta XML file and this opportunity scoring service, and under the triggers I don't have anything. So I'm going to go ahead and say write a trigger and its trigger handler that calls update scores whenever the opportunity stage, amount, or confidence changes on an opportunity. Okay, and we'll go ahead and hit enter here, and let's see what it is going to do. So it is going to create all those the trigger handler for us. So it is creating the opportunity scoring handler. That's what it has created first. Let's just wait for it to create everything. Okay, so this is your opportunity scoring handler. Hit save. So it created this. Now it is creating the trigger. So we go ahead and go over to the trigger here. So this is our trigger, and approve it. So now it's trying to deploy these changes as well. Okay, so it's trying to deploy what it has created to the default org, and it encountered an issue, and it is creating the meta XML file. So hit the save on that one, and then it's going to create the trigger XML file as well. So here we will go ahead and hit approve, and then we will see whatever the code it has created, is it correct or does it have any issues. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit save and approve. And this is the task has been successfully created. So what it is doing is it is telling you at the end, once it has finished all the tasks, it is telling you I have successfully created and deployed a trigger and handler that automatically calls the opportunity scoring service update scores method whenever an opportunity stage, amount, or confidence changes. So whenever these fields get updated inside of an opportunity, the update score method is getting called. So what is implemented first is the opportunity scoring handler. So if you go over to the opportunity scoring handler, this is the class it has created. Now it tells you what it has done. It takes both new and old opportunity records as parameters. You can see here there is an update scores method. It takes in list of new opportunities and old opportunity values. And then what it is doing is comparing the stage name, the amount, and confidence field between old and new. Means it is checking if these have changed on the opportunity, and if it did, then it is going to basically call the update scores method. And what the update score method is doing, it basically behind the scene is updating the priority score field on the opportunity object. Okay, then what it has done is there is a trigger it has created, which is the opportunity scoring trigger, and inside of this trigger it is basically only process opportunities that have changed stage, amount, or confidence. So it is only updating those opportunities where the stage has changed, amount has changed, or confidence has changed. And this is your trigger, and it is calling the trigger handler and basically calling the update scores method of the opportunity scoring handler class. And then both the components have proper metadata files also there, and those have been deployed. So these changes have successfully been deployed to our default org. Now let's see if it is working as expected. So if I go over to any opportunities, and if you go to an existing opportunity here, let's say we go to this one, BlackBerry opportunity 1. Right now it is in prospective stage, And here you can see the priority score is not there. And let's go ahead and give confidence as 60. Now what will happen is you are changing the confidence, and we will go ahead and hit save here, and you will see the priority score has also been updated to 30. Okay, so priority score has been updated. Now if you go ahead and change the prospecting, from prospecting we go to close, what will happen is select the close stage, we will say closed one. This should also update your priority score. Now here let's go ahead and expected pairs, so we're going to go ahead and hit save, and you can see I have to change the priority score again. So this is select the close stage, closed one. Let's take it back to the qualification. Okay, so you can see here the priority score has been updated to 31. Now if I move it to closed, and let's select the close stage, I'm going to select close one, you will see the priority score has been updated to 32. Okay, so priority score has been changed based on your confidence score, based on your priority score. It has successfully been updated. So anytime you go ahead, if you take another opportunity edge generator, and if you go to the details, you can see here right now priority score is not there, confidence is not there. So I'm going to go ahead and populate confidence to 100%. Let's see what happens when we do that. Okay, it is outside of the range, so I'm going to go ahead and do 90, hit save. Expected pairs 45, hit save, and you can see here your priority score has been updated to 47, because it is doing that calculation where it is calculating based on the confidence as well as your stage weight. Now if you go ahead, and it is already in closed one, so now if you go ahead and move it to prospecting and mark it as a current stage, your priority score has dropped to 45. So priority score is being calculated properly based on those values. One is the stage weight and the other one is your confidence. I hope this tutorial was crystal clear. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you.